I'm Paul Brown, CEO of DisplayNote Technologies, here on our partner stand Newline, showing Newline Launch Control, powered by DisplayNote. Newline Launch Control is a new software application for use with displays and touch displays for corporate meeting spaces, giving an easy-to-use, lockdown, configurable system for IT administrators to allow participants in their meeting rooms to quickly and easily open their applications and join their meetings with one touch. Launch Control is designed to integrate with Zoom, with GoToMeeting, with Microsoft Teams and various other video conference solutions. Using our proximity-based companion app, we can connect to any display within the corporate space and automatically sign in to our Microsoft 365 account, giving me access to my OneDrive and all of my content therein. So the ability to present any of our material directly from our OneDrive. I can also, with a single touch, launch into any of my meetings, which can also be done from the companion app. So you can see I can launch from my mobile app directly into my meetings. Launch Control gives me access to my own calendar for my meeting rooms, and any content that I open, whether it be web pages or any applications, I can automatically close them down, refresh the screen for the next participant coming into the meeting room. Thank you very much. For further information, go to newlineinteractive.com.